Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this pink sparkly look using an eyeshadow, which is only $2, which is so inexpensive. Now, before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm first going to prime the eyelids like I always do. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. I'm just blending this all over the eyelid, and what this is going to do is going to remove the redness, make my eyeshadow more long-lasting, and just leave me with a nice clean canvas for the eyeshadow. So then I set it with a little bit of powder to lock everything in place. And then I use the brow gel. I do the brow gel after using powder because sometimes the powder gets stuck in my brow hairs after using the brow gel, and that's not what I want of course. So this is the eyeshadow that I will use. It's the Soft Touch Duo Eyeshadow from Essence, and they actually come in a few different shades. I purchased 3 of them, and I wanted to start with this like pinkish one. Which I think looks a little bit more purple in real life, but for some reason on camera it looks a little bit more pinkish. But I saw these eyeshadows and I was like, oh my god, these are just €2, which is so inexpensive, and that sparkly shade looked so good, so I wanted to do a video with it. So it was the first time for me trying it out. I had no idea how it was gonna blend, but it actually worked really well. So I just start with a little bit and then I just gradually build it up by going in with more and more eyeshadow. And I just noticed that the eyeshadows blended out super easy, which is nice. And because sometimes the more, well, it's not always, like it doesn't matter the price. Like sometimes a more expensive eyeshadow is less quality than like a very affordable one. It really says nothing when you see the price, but I don't know, I was just kind of scared that it wouldn't blend nicely, but it actually did, which was surprisingly very nice. So I just started blending this all the way in my crease, mainly focusing at the outer portion, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm blending it more towards the inner part of my crease. Of course, everything I'm doing at one side, I'm also doing at the other side of my eye. Then I went in with that sparkly side, and I'm using my finger. First, I noticed it wasn't giving me like super like a lot of payoff. So I did have to press like with my finger quite hard into the eyeshadow to get like more color payoff. But I mean, that's fine. I feel like it looks really beautiful on the eyes, as you can see. But I did have to go in with a few layers to get it like the most color payoff. But I mean, like, it's €2. What can you expect? I feel like it looks really good. So that's what matters. So then I went in with some eyeliner. I used the Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Eyeliner, and I'm using a Sigma Beauty E75 brush. This is my favorite brush for applying eyeliner. So first I just went in with like a simple line above the lash line. I am going in with a wing liner, which is optional. I know if you recreate this and you're not really into wing liner, of course you can skip this step. You can skip the whole eyeliner and just go in with mascara. It's totally up to you. Or you can do a simple line above the lash line, or you can go for a wing liner as I do. I felt like going for a wing liner. I personally really love wing liners, but I know I have some watchers on my channel that have hooded eyes, which prefer not to go in with a wing liner, which I totally understand. But of course, if you watch my videos and there's something you don't like, of course you don't have to do the same thing. You can just skip whatever you don't like. But I really felt like going for a wing liner today. So after creating the wing liner, I went in with some concealer right underneath that wing to make it look more sharp. You could also still see like some pink eyeshadow below the eyeliner, which I don't like. I want it to look like as clean as possible. It's just these tiny things which will make your eyeshadow look more perfect. Because I feel like the eyeshadow underneath just makes it look a bit more messy. So it's a really quick and easy step to just clean it up, and it will make a difference. So blending that out with my finger, and then now for the next step, we're going to focus on the lower lash line. First I went in with this white pencil, which is from Colourpop Cosmetics. And I'm going to use it all the way in my waterline. I mean, going in with a black pencil would be really nice as well if you want to go for more like a smoky vibe. But I wanted to kind of keep it more like a softer glam look. Nothing too smoky, if that makes sense. So then I went in with that pinkish color, which we used earlier for in the crease. Now using it all the way underneath the lower lash line. First I used the Sigma Flat Definer brush, and then I went in with a pencil brush to blend it out, just to make it look more soft. Then I went in with a lash curler because we're already finished with the eyeshadow. It's nothing too complicated. And I'm going in with the mascara, which is the Lancome Hypnose mascara. I really like this mascara. So using a thin line on the upper lashes and a thicker line on the lower lashes. A thicker cover. And then I went in with false lashes. These are actually quite dramatic, maybe a little bit too much, I don't know. But these were the only ones I had laying in front of me, so they're actually really beautiful, but they are dramatic. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you'll like how it turned out. Let me know what you think of the eyeshadow. Like, I mean, for €2, that's so inexpensive. I have a few other ones. I have one in blue, I believe, and one in brown golden. Let me know if you want me to do a video using those as well. And I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
A couple steps, but in slow motion.